Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on and off this Qubo inflator. First I will show you how we can turn on. Here you can see the power button. Just press and hold this power button until we see on label here. So let me press and hold power button. Now we can see on, now we can release. So this way we can turn on. After that, if we want to select pressure, you can use this minus and plus buttons to adjust pressure. So once you select the pressure, for starting you can again press this power button. So let me press. See, this way we can use it. If you want to select preset pressure, you can use this button. Just press this button. See, this is a preset pressure for car, scooter, bicycles, football. This way we can select preset pressure. If you want to change this value, as I mentioned, you can use this minus and plus buttons. So next I will show you how we can turn off. For that, you can just again press and hold this power button. Just press and hold. See, off. So this way we can turn on or off. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.